Hey, it's Alex Vargas from the Alex Vargas Group, and today I want to talk to you about a home inspection. We highly suggest that you get a home inspection for several reasons. One of them being that the inspector's job is to inspect the property and to see if there's anything majorly wrong with the property, and minor issues too, super minor. So we definitely highly suggest you do get that. And what happens is once the home inspector does the inspection, typically he'll do a walkthrough at the end and walk you through everything that they found, all their findings. And once you do that, you take it back, review it, and you submit it with your agent. You submit what's called a request for repair to the seller. So once you submit that request for repair to the seller actually has an opportunity to review it, to say, hey, I'll fix all of it, I'll fix part of it, I'll fix none of it, I'll fix part of it and give you some money, like 250 bucks, 500, 1,000, whatever it may be. Or they could just give you a full credit, like say 500 bucks or 1,000 bucks, whatever it is. It depends. And so it's a good opportunity for renegotiation on both sides of the transaction. So again, we highly recommend it. It's a good idea to get that information, so it's more peace of mind for you to be comfortable with. And just know that be negotiable and be open to it. Hope that helps, and we'll talk soon. If you have any questions, feel free to text me, call me, 714-269-8775. That was because there's a phone number up there. So again, 714-269-8775. If you have any questions, comments, anything at all, please subscribe, share, and we'll talk soon. Take care.